make some
3, 2,
entertaining
1,
stuff.
go!
Yeah. Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Haklik Racing and Fabrication. I want to thank you for your continued support, and also please subscribe to help grow our channel. Me and Mike will greatly appreciate that, and we're trying our best to get some things moving along so that way we can bring you guys some good content and some other big things kind of working up. We'll discuss a little bit more about that as the things unfold, but starting to get some better camera equipment. Got a GoPro, another 4K camera and everything, so should be able to start filming some better stuff, and a little update on that. And the main reason I'm also filming this is because I just also failed to film a very good intro to the video, or the clips basically, that I filmed for the Prelude teardown. So I got a little bit of time lapse on that, and a little bit of the progress, and things are kind of starting to move along. So, but again, thanks for tuning in, and let's get to it. Okay, so I've got most of the things off the firewall, wiring out of the way, radiator out, little core support for it. Really actually doesn't hold it, but yeah, there's that much done. And then there was a bar that ran right here that attached to the old motor that we won't need for the B18. That's gone. Next we get this exhaust dropped and out of the way. That linkage out, because I'm not going to need it. Probably have to maybe make a combination of the two linkages. I did find something else in the car the other day when I was looking through it. If you go here to the glove box, yeah, we had some mice living in there for a while. A big old nest. Yeah, we'll have to get that out of there. Yeah, so yeah, this car's got a lot of work left into it. Probably have to hack this out to make a new one. Probably also have to remove this and build a whole nother one. So as you can see, the suspension has trailing arms that come off that subframe to the suspension. But with the new motor, I believe that this is going to be too wide. It's just going to be too wide in the way. Not only that, if you look right here, it's actually taken a little bit of an impact. So it kind of needs replaced anyways. I don't believe anything in the frame's been messed up. There's a little tweakage there, a little bit there, right there. And I'll probably just bend that back out. So kind of minor. Yeah, let's probably remove these cables out of here. Got the tires off as well. Really see how bad that spring is now. It's just completely broken. And this upper ball joint's bad too. Yeah, the suspension's like that on both sides. Just completely broke. Everything else about that looks good. And actually the brakes look kind of decent still too. So I'd put braided lines in there, new calipers and everything, probably 6 months before I pulled the motor out of the car. So yeah, here she is so far. Well, would you just look at that? I got the old exhaust pulled out. I probably didn't have this on the car probably in 6 months, just like the brakes, before I put it down. That's the old header tube for the pace setter header. That was the only one I could buy for the car at the time. He wrapped it, and then within like 6 months, the thing blew a hole in it. I was on my way to a concert close to St. Louis, and it blew out like halfway there. So we were like screaming the whole way to the concert and back home. That's the old exhaust. It's pretty damn long. Kind of crazy how long these things are. I don't know. I'll probably use some of it. I don't think I'm gonna go like exhaust out the hood with this car. I'll probably cut it off. Yeah, that right there. Yeah, probably hit that flex pipe. Use everything back from there.